According to the calendar, to the official start of spring, we need a little spring injection. We are going to go ahead in Pat's Garden Guide and take a look throughout the season at some of my absolute favorite things. I don't own the bougainvillea. Don't ask me to go ahead and spell it. I got enough trouble trying to say bougainvillea, but we all know how pretty the bougainvillea is. But I do own these spheres, and I have my fall version and then I have my spring version. No one eats them. I don't have to worry. Instant flowers, they're always at the right stage of bloom. They always look nice. And honestly, I have them in the front of my yard where people would walk by, and I see them because they don't know I live there when I'm walking my grand dog sometimes, bend down because I have them in half, and you can, pull these apart in half spheres and look are they real? What are they? So they look very real. They're easy to use. They have a great price to them. These are the 13-inch spheres. So this is generally the size that we've shown you in the past. Instead of $61, you're sort of getting two of these for the price. Well, you could buy two more sets, I guess I should say, for the price of what we used to charge you for just one set. And these have always been very, very popular. This is going to be your light pink and white, as you can see. The other one is called purple and pink. So purple and pink will be the next to sell out. There is no reorder on these. So with that in mind, what you're going to get are two of these spheres in your choice of color. Two of these. There will be 2 chains so that you can hang them, and we'll talk about that. 8 zip ties, so if you break them apart into 4 half spheres, you can go ahead and zip tie them back together, and you even get 4 ground stakes because you're going to need to stake them down so that, someone doesn't run away with them, not to make a comment about your neighbors or anything, but no, so that they don't blow away. The same way as you anchor down your decorations, that kind of thing. 3 easy pays at only $10 on this, and there is no reorder. All right, Michelle Stretch, how are you today? Nice to see you, and go Birds, Michelle Stretch. Do you have green on, honey?
This town is just, you know how it is around here. Go Birds. People are probably sick of hearing about us, but
oh no, well, they'll
right
have
now.
to, everybody will have to live through Friday when the parade is, but it was really very exciting.
So. It really was. I love it, Pat. I love that you said you use these at your home because everybody knows that you are a great gardener. I know you love to garden.
I love to garden.
But it is nice to add these in those places, maybe, like out front where you're not coming in and out the door, where you're forgetting, to water something. It's Wicker Park. We've been here 6 years now. Part of the Bethlehem Life family, we've been here for 25 years.
Wow.
So using all of that expertise, the spheres have really become so amazing in our collection. Everyone loves them. When we first brought these out, people were like, well, what do we do with those things? But you can hang them instead of maybe a hanging basket. This is how I use some greenery ones outside. You can break them in half, like you said. And Pat, you can actually pop them back together once you break them in half. There are kind of little, there's little notches inside there. So you just have to find those. You don't need the zip ties to do that. But if you wanted to zip tie like 2 of the spheres together, you could. When you're putting them in the ground, and this is how I use them, you use the stakes that we give you because they're porous. So they're fairly lightweight. You want to just stick them in the ground, and my gosh, you are always going to have blooms.
Yes.
Thank goodness. I had an all-out war last year with my real plants. Deer, beetles, the drought.
It was tough last year.
It was, well, these survived, thank goodness.
Mm-hmm. And that's why I love them, because as you said, originally, I'll be very honest with you, originally we bought them because we were, my mom and dad had passed, and so we were selling our family home, and none of us were going to be there to water the flowers, and we wanted to look nice when people were going to look at the house. So I was like, oh, these will be perfect. We put them all over, and it looks so much better and so
amazing.
Pretty. And then I just took them back, and I use them in my own house, and it just, people don't even know that, and who cares? Because they're absolutely beautiful.
I love it.
And they're fade resistant, they're weather resistant.
Yes. Great point. Fade resistant, Pat, not just, there's nothing applied on there. It's
Mm-hmm.
injection molded color, so it's within the materials. 5 years, fade resistant. So what you don't want is to put a plant outside and then the leaves turn blue right away in the
Yeah.
sun. 5 years. I have spears hanging outside for several years now. They still look amazing. I break them apart and use them, for filler in
Mm-hmm.
my gardens with my green perennials like the boxwoods and the grasses, which are easy to grow. But this is how you have color, and everyone loves bougainvillea. It's just a pretty, pretty flower that is typically tropical, but now you can have this anywhere.
I like what you did just in that wire basket. I mean, you could use them, maybe you're going to have a shower coming up, or,
Mhm.
and you're hosting the shower, or you're the one who hosts, Easter dinner, or you just love your house to look nice. And, it's a place where, it would be expensive to put fresh flowers all the time. These always look fresh and pretty.
And they always look fresh. And that's a great point. We talked about maybe getting a little spring. How many days did you say it was until the
38.
official 38? But maybe
38.
you get this home now
Mm-hmm.
and you just bring this into your family room or your kitchen. Use it inside now till it looks
Mm-hmm.
realistic to have it outside if you live in the colder areas. And then you use it outside, fade resistant.
Oh, look how
So it's
beautiful.
amazing. So pretty. Maybe you picked up some of our other pieces in the line. We had wreaths. We also had hanging baskets. But if you wanted to add to your collection now, would be a great time to do it. They're just great. I fell in love with these spears, and you can be assured that they look realistic. So when you put them out there, no one's going to know.
No, I mean, as long as your neighbors don't know who you are, and the people that were walking by didn't know that I lived there, and they were literally leaning down to look at it, and I was like, oh, they must like them. And there you can see, set them on top of pots, put them in
Yeah.
baskets, really however you want to use
Yeah.
them. And I love when you said, how much does a hanging basket cost? Hanging baskets are expensive. They get more expensive. They're not always in the best bloom. Sometimes if you plant them yourself, you have to wait. These are always in perfect bloom. So today at $30 for two, Michelle, we could pick up a second set and come in at about the same price a set of two used to cost you. So, maybe you need 2 hanging plants. Maybe you need 4 hanging plants. These would be gorgeous. And the next year you can hang them if you have an arbor, or if you have, you decide. You could hang them from a tree if you wanted to hang them from a tree.
You actually could. I think that would be really pretty, hanging these from a tree.
Very much
You don't
historic.
have to worry about that. Is no sun requirements, no shade requirements. You don't need to go. I sometimes have the little meltdowns at the garden store when I don't know which soil to buy and which flower will go here and there, and is it going to last? You don't want to see that. This solution for the hanging basket.
Yeah. Even for
and
the
they're
urn.
pretty.
Yes, and it's beautiful.
Urn.
And it's
They
always,
really, even the green leaves.
yes.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Look.
Even the green leaves
Yep.
are like deeper in the center, like new
Look.
growth on the ends, a little bit brighter. The little triangular shapes of the bougainvillea, the centers, which is great. And there's no glue on these. I want you to know that too. Sometimes, you have pieces and elements are glued in. There's no glue, so there's no dripping glue or anything like that. That color is color fast within the materials. So it makes life easier for yourself. Just think about where you're going to put these.
Yeah. And you can still enjoy planting your Robertas and things like that. But this is sort of
Absolutely.
that color, maybe in places that doesn't have enough sun, maybe in places where, like me, and I have the feeling, Michelle, you've just given up because the deer, God bless them. We love them. We don't want to hurt them, but we don't want them to eat all our flowers, after we put in all that effort. Now you don't have to worry about it. Who's hosting? This year, something in spring, maybe graduation parties and things like that. Even if you had this, next to a chair outside, you don't have to worry about like bees coming to check it out and things like that. So it's perfect. Really is.
I heard that Justin Sachopa actually was watering his for several months or someone.
He is so cute. He really is.
I know. I absolutely love him.
He's adorable.
But you don't need to water these.
All right,
but if they get wet, it's okay.
Yeah, exactly. If he wants to water them, have at it. All right, here's pink and white, and here is your purple and pink. in that. They're from Wicker Park. We know Bethlehem Lights. We've trusted them. Now this is their garden division, M94669. Michelle, have a good night.
Pat, see you in a bit.
All right. Ah ha ha ha. You know how I